Air ducts making rattling or vibrating noises can seriously mess with your home's chill vibe and comfort, but fixing it is way easier than you think. So, first off, if your air ducts are rattling, check for any loose parts or connections. A lot of times, those ducts just need a little tightening or securing with metal hangers or straps to stop the noise. Next, adding insulation around the ducts can help absorb vibrations and keep things quiet. Make sure to look for any gaps or holes where air could be leaking out because that can cause extra noise too. Seal those up with duct mastic or foil tape. Also, vibrating noises might come from the ductwork rubbing against joists or other parts of your house, so adding foam or rubber padding between the duct and the surface can help a ton. If your HVAC system's blower fan is too powerful for your duct size, it could cause vibrations, so sometimes adjusting the fan speed helps. Cleaning out dust and debris inside the ducts can also reduce noise since buildup can cause airflow problems. Finally, don't forget to check your vents and registers. Sometimes they're just loose or need a quick fix. One of the biggest mistakes people make with noisy air ducts is ignoring loose duct connections. This just makes the rattling worse over time, so always secure them tight with hangers or straps. Another common issue is skipping insulation. Without it, vibration sounds bounce around way more, so wrap those ducts properly. The third problem is not sealing leaks in the ductwork, which not only causes noise but also wastes energy. Sealing with duct mastic or foil tape is an easy fix that saves money and quiets things down. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want to find reliable local contractors without the hassle of endless searching. It also helps contractors connect with people needing their skills, so everyone wins when it comes to getting home projects done right and on time.